Yo guys, Phil here with BLP3 Motors. It's been a while. It's been like a whole entire week since I haven't done anything YouTube, and almost a week and a half before I haven't posted, but like you guys can tell from the video, baby mod. I had a baby. Life has been really crazy, and this has not been my first kid. This is my second kid since I've had the channel, and the girls are like a year and 2 months apart, so that's kind of interesting. We're kind of keeping things really close and want the kids to kind of grow up. And I'm not sure the people that are watching, most of the people that watch us are dudes, and so you don't want me to talk about kids and stuff, but I'm not sure how many of you guys are fathers, but it's really awesome, and it's a really big part of my life. And you know, this video is kind of just me chatting with you guys, kind of let you know what's going on in my life, what's going up. And so I said a little earlier, so my wife, we had a really rough pregnancy, and there was a scare. We thought we were going to have our daughter at 32 weeks. And so, I mean, if any of you guys know, that's super preemie. We actually ended up having our baby at 36 weeks. So the baby was a preemie, and so because of that, we had to stay in the hospital for like 4 days. So, you know, that's one of the reasons why I didn't post. I had a video scheduled, and it did drop the Monday she was born, but I haven't really had a chance to come back and do anything. And so I'm a full-time student as well, and so kind of coming back home and adjusting, and you know, the girls share a room in our house, and with that, you know, my 1-year-old got a lap push, and so because she had a lap push, she's starving for attention, and she's really upset, and she's kind of just whining, and she's not used to people being in her room in the middle of the night. We kind of got to the point where she could sleep the whole night, and we kind of just put her down. She knows it's bedtime, wake her up in the morning, and you know, everything's golden. But you know, so with that, when the baby cries in the middle of the night, she wakes up and gets really upset because she got woken up. She's a little bit of a diva like her dad. And with the preemie, you know, with the preemies, they need to eat every 3 hours right now. So we're setting alarms. And so as the baby has a growth spurt, sometimes she wants to eat more. And so she gets hungry before the feeding and ends up crying and waking up my daughter. And so we just, you know, in a nutshell, have not been sleeping. And so it's been a process, and I'm regulating a little more, my wife's regulating a little more, and so I decided, you know, I want to do a couple vlogs, do a couple more talk videos. I've been doing some videos where I've been doing car news and editing a little bit and kind of just making it all look really cool, and right now I'm just not in a place where I can do that, but I am in a place where I can talk to you guys a little more. So these next couple videos are going to be more of like vlog style, and me chatting with you guys and letting you guys know a couple plans that I have for the channel. And you know, if you guys have not liked this video, please like this video, and if you're new, which you're probably not watching this video, please subscribe anyway. A lot of my traffic, a lot of my friends, they are not subscribers. They just have not committed. They've not hit that subscribe button. So a lot of people find me off of like the content that the video's kind of centric about, and so because of that, they kind of just, you know, get the content and bounce. And so we're trying to gain our subscriber base and kind of create a really cool community. And I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm based out of Oklahoma, actually in Shawnee, Oklahoma, and so with that, I'm trying to build a actual physical car community, and also have that translate to the channel. But anyway, guys, in a nutshell, that's kind of what. Oh, there's a GTO for sale at Car-Mart. I'm gonna have to stop this and go take a look at that. That looks cool. But yeah, guys, so, you know, I had a baby mod, and for those of you who don't know, baby mods add 100 horsepower to your car, just flat out, you know. So if you don't believe me, suck it. No, I'm kidding. Maybe. But anyway, guys, that was kind of it for this video. We had a baby number 2, and I'm kind of just getting into the bounce of what this new life is going to be. And we're a family of 4, and you know, this video probably means a lot more to me than it means to you, but you know, I'm kind of committed to sharing what's going on in my life with you guys. And I'm a real person. you know, and these vlogs and this whole channel is centric about, you know, me and my love for cars, but, you know, my family and what's going on. And so you guys are my family too, and I kind of just want to share with you guys what's going on, so that I'm not this like stranger or this weird guy just making videos, this fat Indian Arab man with man boobs and just doing it all. But anyway, guys, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, for those of you who do watch. And actually, if you guys can do a favor for me, if you guys could run a couple of my playlists, that would be great, to help the channel get some more traffic and get discovered, because, you know, a lot of you guys don't know this, but when we make videos and I'm competing with like other YouTubers and stuff, my videos get kind of put at the bottom of the stack, and so when I get watch time and things like that, it just kind of helps sift it up and people to find me. I've got the decals in the back of the car. I just put them on today, and they say subscribe, follow my channel, BLP3 Motors, and so I'm getting these like weird looks and these weird honks, and people are yelling at me, so that's kind of funny. But anyway, guys, I'm ending this. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I will catch you guys on the next one.